Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and these are curry flavoured sausages, part of Lidl's Asian Week. Now I reviewed those duck noodles the other day, didn't I? And I told you I'd got two products in their Asian Week. Well, here's the second one, £1.49. Now I'm hoping these will be really good, because the hot dog sausages I did recently that I got from Lidl were absolutely excellent. So I'm really hoping these will these will be as well. Cooked pork sausages in a curry style marinade, ideal for grilling and frying. Now here's the thing, right? It says ideal for grilling and frying, but it only gives you cooking instructions for grilling. But I'm going to fry them anyway. And these are 92% pork. 92% pork. There's not much else in these things, there really isn't. Filled into natural sheep's casings. Produced in Austria using Austrian pork. 200 grams. Right, I'm going to cook two of these. So I'm going to try one on its own, and the other one I'm going to do something a bit unusual with. You'll find out what very shortly. I'm wondering if anyone's ever done it before. That's got you thinking now, hasn't it? Right, I'll get these fried, I'll bring you back, and I'll show you what I've done with my sausage. Right, they're cooked. Would you like to see what I've done with my sausage? It's in a croissant. Right, so I've cooked two of them. I've got one of them on its own to try. The other one I've put in a croissant with Geeta's tomato and chilli masala ketchup. Well, I didn't have any hot dog rolls. I didn't want to just put it in bread. And I thought, I've got those croissants. It's obvious. I'll stick it in one of them. Now, I bet you've never seen a video of a curry sausage in a croissant. Well, you have now. Wonder what it'd be like. I can't see as it'd be horrible. Right, these only took about 10 minutes to fry, and they've taken on quite a decent browning. Well, most sides have. Obviously, they were a bit bent, so they were a bit difficult to flatten down in the frying pan, but smell really good. Let's have a go. Well, that's meaty. I mean, 92% pork, what do you expect? But that is a really meaty consistency. Not a strong curry taste at all. Very mild. But you can really taste the pork. Really well seasoned. They're not spicy. They're not, hot and spicy. They're really not. They're not what I was expecting. I thought it'd be a really strong curry taste. But it's not. The skin isn't tough. But it's not too soft either, it's just right. I'm really impressed with that. No chewy, gristly, horrible bits. Right, let's try my curry sausage croissant. Why wouldn't it be good, really? A top quality sausage in what is basically a bread roll with some curry ketchup. I only put a little bit of the curry ketchup in because I wasn't sure how strong these sausages were going to taste, but that really works. That really does. Oh yeah. Hang on. Right. I'm going to put them in a food bag in my fridge, or they might stink my fridge out. Lidl Vitasia curry flavoured sausage. Simple as that. Only $1.49. Totally recommend them. As I said, if you like a very mild curry taste and a very meaty sausage, you'll love them, because I do. They're excellent. Question is, what do I do with the other two? It says on there, used within 3 days of opening. It doesn't say anything about freezing them, but they're so good, I'll eat them within 3 days. But any unusual ideas what I can do with them? I mean, really unusual. I thought about putting them in a curry. I've done a sausage curry before. Done a video on it. Yeah, I don't know. Please give it some real thought, and drop your comments down below what I can do with the other two. Right, I can totally recommend putting a curry sausage in a croissant. A curry, what do I call it? A curry saucisson. Yeah, something like that. Right, I'll go and enjoy the rest of that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.